Welcome back to another episode of Sly Records TV. Hello guys, I'm John Slaughter, aka Santa Claus, and today I have some goodies from my sack. I got the old bread, I got the old milk, and I got a nice solid egg. Now if you don't understand this, then let me explain. Here in South Carolina, whenever we hear something about there being snow, like, it doesn't matter how much snow, it doesn't matter how little snow. If we hear the word snow, we always take our country asses to the nearest Walmart and we buy out all the bread, eggs, and milk. Oh, but the fuck you gonna do with bread, egg, and milks? I'm gonna fucking show you. And pretty much all you need is a cup and some knowledge that I will share with you. November 26th. This bread old. It's really old. I'm filming this the day after Christmas. It's like almost a month. That's a fucking month. Exactly. It's really stiff. About as stiff as my dick when I see your dad shower. So you're gonna get one slice of bread. You don't need two. Don't be greedy here. There's kids in the house. You don't want to eat up all the fucking bread and then you can't get any more because there's snow on the road. You can't drive on snow. Take one slice of bread. Take one egg. Put them together. You want to have your cup ready. But was that step number 1 or step number 2? I'm not really sure. You just want to pour some milk over it. Yum. And that is a nice cup of bread, egg, and milk. The only thing left now is to fucking enjoy it. Which I'm gonna fucking do, so get off my ass. Should we put away the bread? Looking at it makes me want to put more bread. But you don't want to put more bread. Let's do this. Why am I looking at the mic? What? Yeah. Okay. We can get crazier than that though. Here's an egg. Oh my god, you fucking... Da-da-da-da. This is how you honestly enjoy it. Why the fuck am I making this video? Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's honestly not that bad. Finished. Ew. Ugh. Ew. It went down my throat and it came right back up immediately. That bread is old, and I can honestly taste it. So this video is either going to be a
hit or miss.
In other news, young Crowbar has a Christmas album out.
Dancing through the snow.
Sorry. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and happy holidays.
All I want for Christmas is a solid record merch. All I want for Christmas is a solid record shirt. All she want for Christmas is SR1 the bird. All I want for Christmas is a SR sweatshirt. tpublic.com/solid records. Get it while you can before I sell it all.